Good morning from Grand Valley Farm. Hank and I completed welding in the cage. Odo picked it up last night and he had a cold, wet drive home. Jeep's kind of wet inside. Cut off the ends and hooked to the windshield so we can fold it down a little easier. And Hank made some quick disconnects so the window will fold down easy. Just fold pins of all sides. It should help when we're out coming off the pavement. Air down, flop the windshield down, and keep on going. With the windshield down, it keeps the dust from the roads from coming back in. It's kind of a nice feeling. The cage here hopefully will protect us from the limbs and stuff, and in case of a rollover. Now the middle bars here, we're going to put a plate up there and mount the CB up under there. At least that's the plan. Anyway, I like how it came out. So I gotta pin it up. It's kind of a long time of the year to be painting. Once it warms up some. Anyway, shout out to my son Hank. What a great job he did. Appreciate all the help. Anyway, on the Sunday morning, we're about to go have breakfast. Well, the wife's made some breakfast with all these extra eggs we got. It's gonna be a big one. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.